Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we got this Cadillac Escalade. I already got it jacked up. We're gonna put on some wheel lights on this one. So yeah, you guys stick around and show you the guys' process of this. So as you see, I already removed the wheels. I moved all four of them, got it all on jack stands, and I did take off the rotor. I just got to a point where I was able to remove the rotor, and now I can actually get my brackets that this kit came with. I have the kit already laid out. There's the two rears, and then I got the two fronts, and here's the wiring right here. So this one would be for the passenger side wheel, and it's gonna go just like this with those holes there. And I'm gonna go about this high. Of course, it gives you a bracket that you can change the height that you would like. So I'm gonna go right here in the middle, just so he has more of a light show in the rim. He's got these big spaced out rims, so it's gonna work great on this. And yeah, so as you see, I already got the hole marked right there, so I'm just gonna continue drilling, and then we're gonna bolt this in just like that and continue to the next side. Run the wires hiddenly, so let's check it out. I'm gonna put some Loctite on the end of the stud and this bolt, so it holds on real tight. Loctite, don't need much, just enough to snug that bolt on there good. And remember, you want to put the screw going this way. You want this side to be flat because your rotor is going to be sitting here. You do not want anything to touch that rotor. So make sure that when you lock this down, you have the screw going out, inward or outward.
Girl.
Yeah, so basically what I did, I bolted it down to the brackets here, all the way around. I used all 4 of them. I got the best circle I could get. With it being that size that I wanted it to clear, so in case he wanted to change his rim size, he could. We can always go back and adjust that also. These are adjustable. And then I just zip tied these 2 just for a test fit here. And got them both sides ready to go. Wires are just dangling because we're going to run those. Let's see. Here's the other side. Same way. Just need to trim them zip ties real quick, and we're gonna finish wiring this up back here now, and then wire tuck the wires. This will be this side, and the reason why you know that is because you're just gonna follow the cord. You don't want to tangle. You don't want to tangle this module up, this little modem. That's the brain, so you want to be very careful with that. You want to try to get that as close to the battery as possible, where it's safe and dry, and won't overheat or any moisture in it. But there we go. So we're going to go ahead and get that way up there, and then we will run these just like that. So as I said, you're going to don't tangle those two different splits there, and you're going to one on one side and one on the other. Keep the wires as straight as possible.
My panties off of me. Do whatever you feel comes naturally.
All right, y'all, there it is. I just went on and wired it up here. Just temporarily, we're gonna throw a fuse in between these, and we're gonna run these wires all the way down against the firewall and against the body, hiding them all. We're gonna straighten up these right here, and that's about it, guys. Leave the comments in the below. Tell me what you guys think. Not bad. Comes with the brackets and everything, so. All right, now we just got to put it all back together. You guys have a great day, a blessed day, and stay safe. See you in the next one.